Today I'd like to share with you a brief meditation that brings you through all the levels of your being called the koshic levels. And this is very calming and grounding and helps you to integrate and connect deeply with where you're at in the moment and who you are in this moment. So before we begin, it's a good idea to prepare for the meditation by turning your cell phone off, by closing the email down, and maybe even closing the door so that nobody can interrupt you. So to begin the meditation, find a comfortable way to sit where you're not slouching in your spine nice and long, keeping the natural curves of your spine. Take a deep breath in and exhale your breath as you allow your eyes to close. And allow your eyes to remain closed now as you go inward to feel your body, feel your whole physical body. Feel the bones heavy and sinking, aware of flesh relaxing downward to be held and supported by the earth. Feel your whole physical body. And now become aware of your breath, just your natural breath that's already flowing through you, not needing to change the breath in any way. Simply feeling the inhalation, the exhalation. Notice your breath and your energy and how the breath is connected to your whole energetic being. Begin to notice now thoughts in the mind, observing thoughts as they flow by. Imagining you're on a train platform, watching the trains go by, watching the trains of thoughts go by, waving them. They're coming and going, not needing to jump on the train, just noticing the thoughts. Can you also notice your feelings and emotions that are present with you? Maybe a mood, not judging or scolding in any way, just simply notice. And moving one step deeper now to notice that part of you that has been observing, that has been the witness consciousness of the body, noticing the breath, noticing the thoughts. Find that part of you that is the witness and rest there in the witness. And now allow your body and mind and being to feel very expansive, like a cloud dissolving in blue sky. And as you expand, notice bliss arising. Feel bliss that has always been here within you, joy, happiness. Feel yourself filling with your own bliss. Gently beginning to deepen your breath once again, wiggling your fingers, taking a moment to stretch and move, allowing your eyes to open when you're ready. Jai Bhagwan, Namaste.